Let's go get cracked. Ay, pinche vieja mal pensada, no estoy hablando de eso. Desde pinche Navidad ando que me duele la espalda, el neck por el estrés. And I was like, you know what? Voy a ir con un chiropractor para que me pinche truenen todos los huesitos. Ahorita estamos aquí en las oficinas de Dr. Alex, que es un chiropractor súper famosísimo de París, amigas. Gente viaja de muchos estados to come get cracked by him. Y yo aquí teniéndola 20 minutos. I've gotten cracked by him before, you guys. And the last time I came, en verdad que sí, los días siguientes andaba bien a gusto. Aquí andamos en búsqueda de su oficina, amigas. Pero aquí parece pinche maze. Tienen some massage chairs y Dani bien aprovechado, mírenlo, ya echado ahí. Dr. Alex tiene su propia almohada. Y si me la llevo, chingue su madre, amigas, because one of my biggest complaints is that I literal, amigas, no puedo dormir en las noches. Like, I'll be tossing and turning because tengo como un dolor en la espalda. Les digo, when we were moving the whole house around for Christmas, Danny kept telling me to lift everything with like my legs. Y yo tengo una pinche mala costumbre que no sé cómo hacer eso. Like, yo levanto todo con la espalda. Not even that, because I genuinely feel like I lift things with like my hands, and Danny's like, you're lifting and putting all your weight in your espalda, and I'm like, ¿cómo? Oh, I'm scared.
I know the bright lights now.
No, not that. I'm scared of the crack.
You're scared of the crack. Unbelievable.
Oh my God, even just that.
That cracked, wow.
I'm so tense.
Alan's broken.
Oh.
Stiff.
I am.
Alan lives 20 minutes away. It's
And
been
I
5
haven't
years.
came in 4 years, you guys.
5 years.
5.
I'm gonna say 5.
That sounds better.
All right, let's do that magic hug again. Okay, so just make sure your teeth are together on this one, okay? Yeah. Well, just relax. You just give it to me. Give it to me, Alan. Let it fall. Let it fall. Ooh, that was lovely. Hello.
Wow. Oh my God.
Took me a while to set that up. You were so nervous. I can tell you.
I was.
That was good.
One wrong move. But there's no wrong moves here, right?
No,
wrong
I never
moves.
do wrong moves. No.
I think that's where the nerves kick in.
Man, we got.
Because ¿qué tal?
Let's go face down.
Okay.
Were you cheating on me with another chiropractor, Alan?
No.
You can tell how.
Oh, that was so
Holy.
good. Oh, that was so good.
A customizable pillow. It's actually for back support too. So if you look at this, you can flop it into a back support pillow and travel pillow. There's a patent on it, and it's pink.
Period. I love
Oh, the
it.
dozy boy, you know.
Ahora sí, a casita. Ay, no, amigas. Ya hasta puedo caminar bien a gusto. Ya me siento que puedo conquistar el mundo empezando 2026 al 100.